When it comes to choosing the right IT support software, many businesses are torn between GoTo Resolve and Freshservice. But which one really stands out? Is GoTo Resolve the more complete tool, or does Freshservice edge it out in features, ease of use, or customer support? We're about to dive into that, and by the end, you'll know which one is the right choice for your business. Stick with me till the end, because I've also got a special bonus for you. Let's get into the first thing you need to consider: ease of use. GoTo Resolve offers an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, making it ideal for teams who want quick, efficient setups. The downside? Some users report that its initial setup can still be a bit tricky. Now, Freshservice, on the other hand, has an even more polished user experience, offering a streamlined interface that's easy to understand from the get-go, especially for smaller teams with minimal IT support experience. Next thing, feature set. GoTo Resolve shines when it comes to remote support features. It has robust screen sharing, session recording, and diagnostic tools built in. Freshservice, though, is more comprehensive with a fully integrated IT service management, ITSM suite, which includes asset management, change management, and incident management. If you're looking for a tool that goes beyond just resolving issues and into complete service management, Freshservice might be your better option here. But GoTo Resolve isn't far behind, especially for teams that need more direct customer support interactions. The third thing to consider is automation and customization. Freshservice excels in automation, allowing you to create workflows and automate ticketing processes without a hitch. GoTo Resolve also has automation tools, but they're a bit less customizable, especially when compared to Freshservice's ability to adjust workflows to very specific needs. If you're looking for a solution that gives you more flexibility and control over automating processes, Freshservice has the upper hand. Moving on to pricing. GoTo Resolve comes in with a more budget-friendly pricing structure, which is great for small businesses or startups just getting started with IT support tools. However, Freshservice pricing is a bit higher, but for the additional features and integrations you get, it can justify the price for medium to large enterprises looking for a more robust IT management tool. If you're working with a larger team or have advanced IT needs, the investment in Freshservice might be worth it. Now, we need to talk about support. GoTo Resolve generally provides solid customer support with quick response times, but Freshservice offers more diverse support channels, including knowledge bases, community forums, and 24/7 live support. This makes Freshservice the more attractive option for businesses that may need more hands-on assistance. And lastly, let's talk about the future-proofing of your IT support tools. Both GoTo Resolve and Freshservice are continuously evolving their offerings, but Freshservice does seem to have more frequent updates and a broader roadmap to align with current industry trends. This makes it a more scalable solution for companies that expect to grow and need something that can grow with them. So which IT support software wins? Honestly, it depends on your needs. If you're a smaller business looking for straightforward remote support with a lower price point, GoTo Resolve is a solid pick. But if you're a larger organization or one that wants an all-encompassing IT service management tool, Freshservice comes out on top. Before you go, here's the bonus I promised. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Freshservice, but I've also included some amazing alternatives that are better suited for specific IT needs, and they come with their own free trials. These alternatives could be the perfect fit depending on your goals, and you'll get access to them exclusively through my link. Trust me, you won't want to miss this.